Do you want to transfer your files from Google Drive to OneDrive automatically? Imagine saving hours of manual work. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Apps Script to make this process seamless and efficient. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll learn today. Setting up the OneDrive API. Writing a Google Apps Script for file transfer. Running the script to automate everything. By the end of this video, you'll have your own custom automation ready to go. The first step is setting up access to the OneDrive API. Head over to the Microsoft Azure portal and register a new app. This will give you the credentials you need. Make sure to note down the client ID, tenant ID, and client secret. Next, configure permissions for Microsoft Graph, specifically the files.read-write permission, which allows our script to manage your OneDrive files. Once the OneDrive API is ready, setting it up is straightforward. Here's how. Open Google Sheets and create a new project. Click on Extensions and then App Script. Create 3 files in the script editor. OneDrive Uploader.js for the main script. OAuth2.js from the official GitHub repository, link in the description. Sidebar.html for the interface. Paste the provided code into each file and save. And that's it. The setup is complete. Next, add the Drive API service to your project. In the app script editor, click on Services and add the Drive API, version v2. Use Drive as the identifier and click the Add button. Now create a new deployment. Click on Deploy and select New Deployment. Set the deployment type to Web App. For Execute As, select User accessing the web app. Under Who has access, choose anyone with a Google account. Click Deploy and copy the generated URL. This URL will serve as the access point for your web app. Next, you can configure the API in the Google Cloud Console to finalize the setup. Open Google Cloud Console and create a new project. Once the project is created, navigate to your project and copy the project number. Paste this number into the app script settings. Click on the 3 horizontal lines, Menu, in the top left corner, then go to APIs and Services, enable APIs and Services. Search for and enable the Google Drive API for your project. Under APIs and Services, create a branding configuration by completing the OAuth consent screen setup. Define your app's name and audience. Configure the required fields and publish the app. Go to Credentials and create the required credentials for your API. When creating the credentials, provide the URL generated after deployment of your app script as the redirect URI. This completes the API configuration process, ensuring seamless integration with Google Drive. Now, paste your Microsoft Graph credentials into the provided fields. Next, click on the OneDrive integration menu in your Google Sheet and select Authorize. A URL will be generated. Copy and open it in your browser to complete the authorization process. Once authorization is successful, return to the OneDrive integration menu and select Copy Files. The script will now start transferring all supported files to OneDrive, logging the status of each file directly in your Google Sheet. And that's it. Your files are now securely and efficiently copied between platforms. Ready to take control of your file management? Check the description for the full setup guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Thanks for watching.